Are you tired of missed meetings and confused clients because Odoo is in the wrong time zone? Change it in under 2 minutes with these 7 simple clicks. We'll start at the home page, open your profile, adjust the calendar time zone, and save. Follow these quick steps to get it done. First, navigate to the home page to get things started. Then click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Now click on My Preferences. Next, click on Calendar to bring up your calendar settings. Then locate the Time Zone section and click on the drop-down next to it. Choose the time zone you prefer from the list. Finally, click on Update Preferences, and that's all there is to it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.